OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday and onward. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, having done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, I've seen what's personally printing me money and what's not. Especially with like Opendoor. It's great, $3.22. It's just the craziest performance has happened on freaking Monday. I mean, what I'm seeing here is that obviously, like beforehand here, I started with the bullish bias. Like this was made back like I guess around 17th of July or whatever. The price was like 167, and after that you can see it like this 4 days back, it absolutely went from like 167 and then it went to like 5. So that's a lot, and then it kind of crashed. Now those pull downs and corrections are gonna happen. They're like normal part of the game. Now, just genuinely speaking, I was expecting it to kind of pull down and deeper and give me like a confirmation, but it had other plans and it just absolutely pumped out of nowhere. Because Opendoor here is just being like, let's say, kind of popular and all that good jazz, unless I see like a proper shift and a double break, and there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. You know, I would ideally want to see and prefer this. If that doesn't quite happen, then I'm not gonna be buying. You know, very simple. So all I will be doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, also this is like covered in the Discord of mine as well. But if you want free money making insights and emails, click the first link in the description.